Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. In this video I'm going to show you a live Clickbank traffic campaign, and in this case I'm going to be promoting this product that's going to pay me $31.93. Now if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you should see a subscribe button just like this below this video or anywhere on this page. Just smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. What this will do is whenever I come up with a brand new training video, you're going to be the first one to able to watch my video. You're going to get the notification. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Clickbank Success. You could also do this by going to YouTube and typing Clickbank Success, and you're going to see a banner just like this. Just smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So let's dive into this video. What I'm going to do is, from my autoresponder account, I'm going to copy one of my emails that are already sent to thousands of subscribers, and I'm gonna copy and paste it into another program that's already giving me 200 subscribers every single day without having to drive any traffic, without having to create a landing page, without having to create a funnel, without having to go out there and checking what is my opt-in rate, what is my conversion rate, how do I scale. I'm getting these leads every single day completely autopilot into my account. That's right, and I'm going to send the email out to these subscribers and leads. So let's do this. So let me just copy this email and let's come here. As you can see, every single day 200 leads is coming into my account. So you can see here 30 September 2022, 200 leads, 29 yesterday, 200 leads, 200 leads. So I'm going to select all of them. So far I have 2,300 subscribers. I'm going to scroll down. I'm just going to come here, get rid of that, just copy that there. All right, and then come back and just take this whole email and then I'll have to just make it a bit looking good as well. So let's do that. So as you can see, this is a system that's giving me 200 leads a day. Now if you want to join this program and system where you can get at least 100 leads a day every single day without the hassle of driving any traffic, without the hassle of creating a funnel, a landing page, testing, optimizing, and you just want 100 subscribers plus in your account every single day, then click the link below this video in the description, or head over to this link here, open up a new browser, go to this website, and you will have the opportunity to join this program that will allow you to get 100 leads, subscribers every single day without the hassle of driving any traffic, without the hassle of creating any landing page, any funnel whatsoever. Plus, this program is not just going to give you 100 leads, but actually with 100 leads they have a mailing system within the program, and they will allow you to mail those subscribers once per day. That's right, I'm not using my autoresponder, I'm using their own platform to email all these subscribers, as you could see right now in front of your eyes. So let's do this. Click here to get started. Okay, so this email is looking quite good. Let's see what this was. All right, let me just copy this link address. Let me come here and let me highlight this. Let's put the Clickbank affiliate link inside, as you can see that. All right, I'm gonna just make it a bit bigger. There you go. And then I'm just gonna get rid of the link down here, and I'm just gonna come here, paste it in, and there you go. My email is ready. Let's go out from here, and let me just copy this title and come to the top and put it in the subject line. Now emojis are not allowed, so what I could do here is I'm going to put this email here, and I'm gonna just add it straight into this. Now I could send this from my name, so I'm gonna send it from my name. Sorry about the background noises. So I'm gonna scroll down, and this email is gonna go out to 2,300 leads. Scroll down, and I could do perfect timing. I'm just gonna leave that for now, and I'm gonna send this email. All right, this is how powerful this is. This program is giving me 200 leads a day. Every day 200 leads. You will get, for joining and becoming a member, you will get a minimum 100 leads every single day. And this platform has their own email system inside. All right, so I could email to these subscribers. Let me give you real proof. So this is going out to 2,300 subscribers. Let me go to the statistic. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This email I just sent out right now in front of your eyes. Okay, it's being sent out to 2,300 people. Look at this. I sent out a first email on September 20, 2022. 800 people got that email. 124 people clicked on my link. Then another email on 24 September. Then another email on 27. Then another email on 28. As you could see, this is real stats. And I'm not using an autoresponder to send these emails out. I am using their platform. All right. So if you like to join this program and you like to join this system, click the link below this video in the description box. If you can't find the link for any reason, then here's the website address. All right, lookmanmummy.com/100 leads daily. Go to this website link. All right, this is my link. Go to this website link, and you're going to come to a page, read the information, watch the video. If you're convinced and you believe this is something that you would like to do and start getting 100 subscribers plus every single day, then go ahead, take massive action, join the program, and start taking massive action. I didn't just join this program out of nowhere. I got email. I came across this program, and then I start seeing the top earners, the top internet gurus in this program. I saw one top earner in this program, and I'm like, wow, this, in 2 different accounts. So that's when I got convinced, and when I saw some screenshot from people making sales and commissions in Warrior Plus and Clickbank, so I decided to join. So far, so good. I'm happy. So if you like to join this program and system and use their mailing system to start emailing to these subscribers, go ahead, take action, and I think you will not be disappointed. Okay, so if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the red subscribe button and click the notification bell. And I hope you love this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me and I will be answering your questions. See you in the next video.